Hi everyone, we're in St. Gabriel, Louisiana on the Mississippi River, and we're boarding the St. Gabriel Ferry. You see that barge is down the river. This is going to take us across the Mississippi River to where, Preston?
Plaquemine.
To Plaquemine. And we're headed to Plaquemine to watch our grandson play basketball at Plaquemine High School. He plays for Dutchtown High School here in South. Backing out, I guess you'll call it backing out. Headed across the river to Plaquemine. There's the Mississippi River. I'm gonna get out my car in a second. What's the temperature today, babe?
53.
53 and windy when I step out of here. Oh,
9 mile an hour wind.
9 mile an hour wind, and that's before we start moving on the on the ferry. So I'm gonna get out and get a little bit of video for everyone. See how the barge is parked right there. So moving. So we're headed over there to Plaquemine. Beautiful day here in South Louisiana. Kind of windy. I'm gonna come over here and get wet probably to show y'all this, but I do want y'all to see. So I'm just gonna go across here. You go to Baton Rouge that way, and then you go back this way, you go to New Orleans. The other ferry's pulling out, going where we just came from. Like I said earlier, you go down there, and head to the Gulf of Mexico. See all the refineries and stuff back there. Mighty Mississippi River. Hey y'all. Heading back. Didn't win. We lost by 10. But it was a good game. Boys played hard. Played well. Or better in the second half. That's one of the ferries that's docked for the night. We're just now leaving the Plaquemine side, headed to St. Gabriel. Mississippi River. It's a little intimidating out in the middle of the river, knowing how big these ships and barges are that are coming up and down all hours of the night. But we trust these men and women to do their jobs well. They're experts at it. Oh, look at that moon. That's gorgeous. See that tugboat just going past. So good thing we cleared each other. He's headed toward New Orleans. Toward Baton Rouge. Sorry about that. He's headed toward Baton Rouge. Tied us off, and it's time to roll. Thank y'all. This is how you get off. Go down this little bitty dirt road.
All this dust.
All this dust. You follow the truck in front of you. And these are the cars waiting to get on. And that concludes our trip on the Plaquemine Ferry. Glad you enjoyed it. Oh, let me show you. We're getting up on the levee. We're going to cross the levee. What's going to be right when we come down?
Highway 75.
Highway 75. Whoa, whoa, whoa.